In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send secure email in Gmail. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner to open a new message window. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. After that, look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window and click the Toggle Confidential Mode icon, which looks like a lock with a small clock on it. A pop-up window will appear with confidential mode settings. Click the Set Expiration drop-down menu and choose when you want the email to expire, such as expires in 1 week or another available option. If you want extra security, select the radio button for SMS passcode. This option will require the recipient to enter a verification code sent to their mobile phone before they can open the email. After selecting your preferred settings, click Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. Now click Send at the bottom of the Compose window. If you selected the SMS passcode option, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's mobile phone number, type in the number, and click Send again to finalize the secure message. If you decide you don't want to use the SMS passcode, cancel the current setup and click Edit in the confidential mode settings. Then select No SMS passcode and click Save to apply the change. From the receiver's point of view, the email will appear with restricted actions and they may need to verify their identity depending on the settings you selected. If you need to revoke access before the expiration date, go to your sent folder in the left sidebar and open the confidential email. Inside the email body, click Remove Access to immediately block the recipient from viewing the message. Congratulations.